Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to reorder data back to the original in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel file, and here you can see I have two sheets, sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. In sheet number 1, I'm working on that. So I'm apply the filter first. So I just select the header. Okay, select the one cell and then press the Shift Control L to apply the filter. After that, I want to sort some column. So I select the quantity column first and click on this drop down arrow and click on the largest to smallest. Then I click on the date column and click on this drop down arrow and click on the sort the newest to oldest. Then in orders, Z2 I did it. So here I sorted this column. Now I'm going to update some of these amounts. Okay. So I select here the row number 7 and change here the sum amount. So I change this here in total amounts. So I just enter here, changes here some row. Okay. And after that, I want to reorder data back to the original sorting. Okay. But here, if you press the Control Z to undo the action, the amount will also changed. Okay. For that, if you don't want to change the amount, only want to sort the data at the original reorder. Okay. So you can do it easily using the 1 3. So let's see how it's done. I just go to the sheet number 2. Okay. Now I add here the one column. So I add just index column. Okay. Then enter here the 1 2. Okay. Select the both number. Okay. Double click on the corner point. Select both and double click on the corner point, and you can see all number series is added up to the 500. Okay. So here now I apply the filter Shift Control L. Then I sort the quantity, date sorting newest to oldest, order ID. Okay, Z2A. Now I changes here the sum amount, total amount. Okay, okay. So these are some changes. Those you want to change, you can change is anything. Okay. After that, I want to back to the reorder sort data. Okay, in original sorting. But if I press the same as Control Z, the amount also will change. But here I don't want to change the amount. Only the data sort as per the original data. Okay, for that, just go to the new column. Okay, index. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the smallest to largest. That's it. Your data is back to the original order. Okay, without changes any amount. Okay. So this is so helpful when you work on your Excel sheet. If you have a large data, you can use this trick. Okay, because when we work on the large data, there are so many changes we make. Okay, so there is a possibility the error will showing after that changes also, because when you press the Control Z, the action all action will be undo, and here the all action will not undo. Only the sorting option will show here in reorder. Okay, in original. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.